This week, we received a 5-star review for our first AMD Ryzen Threadripper graphics workstation. They described our system, which is designed for high-end rendering using CPU-bound applications, as a truly formidable workstation that looks every inch a serious system and shows the remarkable potential of AMD's new flagship CPU. So to celebrate, we've decided to give away an awesome component bundle inspired by this beaut of a system, which is perfect for pro graphics and pro video use, and of course a bit of gaming or streaming. First up, featuring 16 cores and 32 threads, is AMD's new Ryzen Threadripper 2950X CPU. Next, there's a 512GB Samsung 970 Pro NVMe SSD drive featuring some unbelievable read and write speeds to really speed up your project. To see just how fast we've made another video included in the competition, so you should really check that one out. And lastly, there's an Asus X399-E motherboard. All in all, this prize is worth over £1,300. Not a bad start to your build day. So if you want to be the proud owner of this bundle, then we've made it super easy to enter. Just click the link for your free entry and details of how to increase your chances by helping us out on the socials. And pick up a copy of PC Pro to check out the full awesome review with benchmark results.